Welcome, everyone. Today, we are not talking about motivation that lasts for 1 hour. We are not talking about quick inspiration that disappears tomorrow. And we are definitely not talking about luck. Today, we are talking about discipline. Because motivation can start a journey, but discipline is what finishes it. Look around you. Many people start things. They start learning English. They start going to the gym. They start a business idea. They start improving their life. But after a few weeks, something happens. Energy drops. Excitement fades. Life becomes busy. And slowly, they stop. Not because they are incapable, not because they are not intelligent, but because they depend on motivation instead of discipline. Motivation is emotional. Discipline is intentional. Motivation says, I feel like doing it today. Discipline says, I will do it whether I feel like it or not. And that single difference changes everything. If you want to change your life, you must understand one powerful truth. Success is not built on good days. Success is built on ordinary days. Days when you feel tired, days when progress feels slow, days when nobody is watching. That is where discipline becomes powerful. Rule 1. Show up anyway. Most people believe productivity means doing everything perfectly, but real growth begins with something much simpler. Just show up. Even when you feel lazy, even when your energy is low, even when you doubt yourself. Showing up keeps momentum alive. Imagine two people learning a new skill. Person A practices only when they feel motivated. Person B practices every day, even if it's just for 20 minutes. After 1 week, the difference is small. After 6 months, the difference is massive. Consistency always defeats intensity. Small daily effort is stronger than occasional hard work. Because every day you show up, you send a message to your brain. I am a person who does not quit, and identity is powerful. Rule 2. Reduce distractions. We live in the most distracted time in history. Your phone vibrates, notifications appear, videos autoplay endlessly, hours disappear without you realizing it. And the dangerous part is this: distractions feel harmless. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there. But small distractions repeated daily destroy focus. Successful people are not necessarily smarter. They simply protect their attention better. Your attention is your most valuable asset. Where attention goes, energy flows. Where energy flows, results grow. So start asking yourself a simple question. Is this helping my future or stealing my time? If it is stealing your time, reduce it. You do not need to eliminate everything. Just become aware. Awareness alone can change your life. Rule 3. Focus on one direction. Many people fail not because they lack talent. They fail because they chase too many things at once. Today they start learning coding. Tomorrow they start trading. Next week they try another idea. Their energy becomes scattered. But success requires focus. Focus means choosing one direction and staying with it long enough for results to appear. Every skill takes time to grow. In the beginning, progress is invisible, just like planting a seed. For weeks, nothing appears above the soil, but underground, roots are forming. If you keep digging up the seed to check progress, it will never grow. The same is true for your goals. Stay patient with your direction. Mastery rewards commitment. Rule 4. Accept discomfort. Growth is uncomfortable. Learning a new language is uncomfortable. Speaking in public is uncomfortable. Starting a new project is uncomfortable. But discomfort is not a signal to stop. It is a signal that you are expanding. Your brain prefers safety. It prefers habits. It prefers familiar routines. But every time you step outside your comfort zone, your brain adapts, and what once felt difficult slowly becomes normal. Think about the first time you tried something new. Maybe driving a car, maybe speaking English, maybe presenting in front of people. At first, it felt scary, but with repetition, it became easier. That is how growth works. The discomfort you feel today becomes your confidence tomorrow. Rule 5. Protect your mindset. Life will challenge you. There will be setbacks. There will be failures. There will be moments when nothing seems to work, but your mindset determines what happens next. Two people can face the same problem. One says, "Why is this happening to me?" The other says, "What can I learn from this?" Same situation, different outcome. A negative mindset stops progress. A growth mindset searches for solutions. Every successful person you admire has faced difficulties. What made them different was not luck, it was resilience. They refused to let temporary failure define their future. At the end of the day, your life is shaped by what you repeat, not what you promise, not what you dream about, but what you do consistently. If you repeat distractions, your life becomes distracted. If you repeat excuses, your life becomes limited. But if you repeat discipline, learning, and action, your life becomes powerful. Remember this, you do not need a perfect plan. You do not need perfect confidence. You only need one decision, the decision to keep moving forward. Every day is a vote for the person you want to become. Every focused hour builds your future. And one day you will look back and realize something important. Your success did not happen suddenly. It happened quietly, one disciplined day at a time. So stay focused, stay patient, stay consistent, and prove to yourself that you are not someone who gives up. You are someone who finishes. Because this is your life, and the future is built by what you do today.